All right, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we are going to be learning about the DOM. First of all, we need to answer this question. What really is the DOM? Or what is the DOM? Well, let's start from the beginning. DOM stands for, and is an acronym, stands for Document Object Model. All right, that's what it stands for. Now, the definition of the DOM is this. The DOM's job, all right, is to describe the structure of the HTML document and the relationship between the different elements like text, tags, and even attributes. All right. Browsers interpret and organize HTML as a DOM. All right. And DOM works like an API for CSS and JavaScript, basically allowing them to modify the existing content. All right. So browsers will interpret the HTML document. All right. Whatever you write in the browser will translate it and convert that into the DOM, to the document object. All right. So basically that's what it is. All right. So let's jump into some more examples here, or some examples. This is a skeleton, basic HTML document, right? Basic HTML skeleton. So we have here a bunch of tags, right? We have the HTML tag, the head tag, meta, title, a lot of tags. All these tags are known as nodes in the document object model, all right, in the DOM. This is what they are. So every tag that you see there is considered a node. Every attribute you see there is considered a node, and even every text is a node. All right, all right. So let's look at the DOM tree. This is what they call the DOM tree. So every time you hear that, this is what it is. We first have an HTML document, all right, and this is called the root element. This is where everything starts. The root element, or this element here, the HTML element, has children, and most of the time the children is going to be the head, the body, and then the body and the head will also have all the children. All right, and those children here, like you see right now, the body has an article child and a nav child. This could also have children, like the paragraph h1 or that, like anchor tags. All right, so basically this is what the DOM tree is about. Now let me give you some more example. Let's talk about relationships or relations. All right, so let's say, for example, we have an order list here. This would be the parent. All right, and then let's say we have some list tags here, right? Because that's what usually we do with on order list, right? We give it some list tags, and this will be called the children. All right, and if the children, of most of the time, well, all the time, they're gonna be in the same level, right? So we call this siblings. Once the tags are in the same level, they are called siblings. And for the first and the last child, all right, we have a special name. For the first one, we have first child. For the last one, we have another name, last child. And the rest of them are just called child nodes, all right? So I want you to keep this in mind, all right? It's very important for you to understand this now, because when we are actually writing code, you're gonna see this reference as first child, last child, child nodes, the parent, the children, and those things are methods and properties that we use to access different type of data, um, and modify different type of data in the DOM. All right. So this was a brief introduction to all this. We're gonna go and take a look at this more in depth. So pay attention to that, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.